All right, now that these are nice and mushed, we're gonna go right into our extra creamy Cool Whip. We're making a super easy, no bake dessert, but we are starting with those yummy strawberry cheesecake bundt cakes, just in time for Valentine. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going in with our whipped cream cheese. This is just gonna add to that cheesecake flavor, and we're gonna add that whole entire container of cream cheese. Oh my goodness, this smells and looks delicious. Okay, beautiful. Got that right into our bowl. Now I'm gonna come in with a little bit of half and half. We do not need much. Probably about 1/4 of a cup, just to make sure we can get this nice and blended. And then lastly, this is optional, but I just like to add a little extra flavoring, so I'm adding the pure vanilla, but this is mainly gonna taste like strawberry cheesecake from those little bundt cakes that we put in there. 1 teaspoon is just the right amount. And then we are gonna go ahead and mix everything together so we get a beautiful and yummy strawberry cheesecake no-bake dessert. Oh my goodness, those little mini cakes smell incredible. They just are so pungent with their scent. It literally smells like they just came fresh out of the oven, but they just came fresh out of the box, which is easy and perfect, just what I need for a quick dessert. Oh my goodness. Okay, this looks just about ready. I'm gonna bring in my little heart bowl, and we are gonna start scooping our dessert dip right into our bowl. Yeah, this is a yummy, super easy strawberry cheesecake dessert dip. So good for a Valentine's Day party or a classroom, you know, Valentine's Day party, whatever you want to make this for, people will love it. And you could even do like just regular strawberry cake in there if you can't find those baby buns. But I just really love how this came out, and I'm so excited for you guys to try it with me. All right, and I'm just gonna bring in some cute little heart sprinkles, and I'm just gonna put that right on top to make this extra festive. Get it all over our little dip.
Oh, this looks so cute.
Adorable. Now it is time to get this ready for our party. I'm gonna put my little heart right there. And of course, we need some dippers. I just pulled these out of the oven, my little heart sugar cookies. And we are gonna start by putting some of these right in there. Those I think are gonna be the most popular dipper for this dip. Now I'm gonna bring in my strawberry cream wafer cookies. These are so fun and kids love them. So we are just gonna put them right here. I have my personal favorite, the Biscoff cookies, and we are gonna put these right here. All right, and of course we are gonna grab some fresh strawberries for dipping. I mean, that is gonna be a no-brainer. We're gonna fill up these sides with these beautiful, kind of large strawberries. I can't believe I found such beautiful strawberries in February. All right, I'm gonna go with my favorite, the Biscoff, and it's time to dig in. Oh, that's a big bite.
Is it good?
That is incredible. You guys gotta try it.